Mmm. Got leftover sheets, like maybe 1 or 2 left, and you don't want to throw it away. How about we make some chips with these? Okay, it's gonna be super simple. All you're gonna need is the paper, of course, and then a pair of scissors, and you just want to cut it really any way that you want. The smaller the pieces, the quicker it's gonna fry, of course. For this, I'm gonna make some triangles. Ooh, that wasn't a pretty cut, but that's okay. So just down the center. Those are big pieces, we'll put them there. You can make it small if you want. You can cut down here and make these smaller pieces, which is basically half of this. Or you can even do strips of it. So just go from the side and then just cut. Okay, and if you happen to have the larger one, this is even easier to use because it's a giant square and you can make any shape you want. So we're just gonna have fun and just go all the way down. All right, and we're gonna make little squares. All right, so with a flat pan, we want to go ahead and put in oil, and you want to put in just enough oil to where it covers the paper. So right now I've already got it heated, and you can tell usually when it's about ready because you see how the oil's starting to move and all those little lines. It means it's hot. So what you do is you take the paper, and you just drop it in, and it goes really fast. Once it curls up, it's ready. Shake that off, and then move it on to a basket with paper to let it dry. All right, let's do another one. Okay, we're gonna do a few more, but with the other shapes. The square. Mmm.